Some people think that their spouse should know their needs without them having to verbalize what those needs are. The problem with this, believing this lie that, your spouse should just know your needs, is that it's just not realistic. Obviously, there's some needs that are pretty straightforward and easy to understand, but deeper emotional needs, the ways in which people feel the most loved, these are very personal to the individual. So in order to know what these needs are, we have to communicate effectively. We have to talk. We have to get to know each other on deeper levels. We have to ask our spouse, hey, what do you need most? What makes you feel most loved? What are the things that I'm missing? Is there anything that you wish and hope for in this marriage that's not happening? Are there any needs that you have that are going unmet? Instead of getting offended that your spouse doesn't know what your needs are and isn't just automatically, reading your mind and knowing everything that you need, let's just try communicating more effectively. Tell your spouse. So there's two things here. Tell your spouse, hey, here's what I need from you. And of course, maybe you would argue, well, they don't care about what I need. Then this, that's a deeper problem that probably needs more serious help. But for those of you who have loving marriages where you both care about each other, but maybe there's lack of communication, just verbalize, hey, I need X, Y, Z, and I'm not getting it. And then at the same time, ask your spouse, what do you need? I want to know more. I want to have a deeper understanding of what makes you feel loved, of what makes you feel valued, of your deepest needs, so that I can meet them, because I love you and I can't read your mind, okay? Don't take offense to that. Don't be bothered that your spouse doesn't know everything you need. I'm going to tell you right now, my husband can't possibly read my mind. There's so much going on in there on any given day. It would be a miracle if he could understand all the things going on in my mind and all the things that I need. But he sure as heck knows those things now after almost 13 years of marriage, because we communicate, because he asks, because he takes the time to listen. And I do the same for him. And so this is a really important adjustment to make in your marriage. Stop expecting each other to know what you need. Stop believing that your spouse can read your mind. And start communicating. Just start talking.